Welcome to the second part of our video series. Now that we've covered some top crypto investment strategies, it's time to talk about diversifying your crypto portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you can protect yourself from market fluctuations and potential losses. First, let's explore the different types of cryptocurrencies you can include in your portfolio. There are the well-known giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but don't overlook the potential of altcoins. These smaller, lesser-known cryptocurrencies can offer significant growth opportunities if chosen wisely. Next, consider stablecoins. These are digital currencies tied to a stable asset, like the US dollar, and can provide a safe haven during market volatility. They're a great way to preserve capital while still staying in the crypto market. Another important aspect of diversification is investing in different sectors within the crypto space. For instance, you could allocate funds to DeFi, decentralized finance projects, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and blockchain technology companies. Each of these sectors has its own growth potential and risks, balancing your overall portfolio. Lastly, don't forget about geographical diversification. Investing in crypto projects from different parts of the world can expose you to unique opportunities and mitigate region-specific risks. So, what are your thoughts on diversifying your crypto portfolio? Share your strategies in the comments below, and if you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crypto insights. Now let's move on to analyzing the crypto market like a pro. Understanding market trends and patterns is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Market cycles can help you identify the best times to buy and sell. Recognizing bull and bear markets can give you an edge in timing your investments. Technical analysis tools, such as moving averages and RSI, can provide insights into market momentum. Candlestick patterns and trend lines are also valuable for predicting price movements. Staying updated with the latest news and developments in the crypto world is essential. Engaging with the crypto community can provide additional insights and perspectives. Setting up alerts for price changes and news updates can help you stay on top of the market. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio is crucial for long-term success. With the right strategies and tools, you can navigate the crypto market like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto insights. Stay tuned for our next chapter on advanced trading strategies. Today, we're diving into how to analyze the crypto market like a pro. Understanding the market is crucial for making informed decisions and maximizing your investments. Let's get started. The first step in analyzing the crypto market is to understand the different types of analysis available. There are three main types: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentiment analysis. Each type offers unique insights into the market. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency by examining factors such as its technology, team, market demand, and overall potential. This type of analysis helps investors identify undervalued or overvalued assets. Technical analysis, on the other hand, focuses on historical price data and trading volumes to predict future market movements. By studying charts and patterns, traders can identify trends and make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. Sentiment analysis gauges the overall mood of the market by analyzing social media, news articles, and other sources of public opinion. This type of analysis can provide valuable insights into market psychology and potential price movements. To analyze the crypto market like a pro, it's essential to combine these three types of analysis. By doing so, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the market and make more informed investment decisions. Additionally, staying updated with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency space is crucial. Market conditions can change rapidly, and being informed allows you to react quickly to new information. Utilizing various tools and resources, such as financial news websites, market analysis platforms, and social media channels, can help you stay on top of the latest trends and make better investment choices. Remember, analyzing the crypto market is an ongoing process. Continuously educating yourself and refining your strategies will help you stay ahead of the curve and maximize your investment potential. With these tips and techniques, you'll be well on your way to analyzing the crypto market like a pro. Happy investing. One of the key aspects of market analysis is technical analysis. Tools like RSI, MACD, and candlestick patterns are essential. These tools help you read market trends and make predictions based on historical data. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay ahead in the game. Now let's talk about fundamental analysis. This involves researching a project's white paper to understand its goals and technology. Evaluating the team behind the project and assessing its use case are also critical steps. This approach gives you a deeper insight into the long-term potential of your investments. Following news platforms like CoinDesk, monitoring social media for trends and project updates. Start applying these analysis techniques today and watch your investment decisions improve. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips. Title: How to Avoid Crypto Scams and Protect Your Investments. Phishing sites, fake ICOs, and rug pulls. Real-world scam examples. Setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, using asset recovery options if available. Stay safe and invest wisely. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and share your tips for avoiding scams in the comments. What's next for cryptocurrency in 2025 and beyond? Web 3.0 explained with real-world examples. Use cases of decentralized apps or dApps. NFT basics and how they impact the crypto world. Virtual economies in the Metaverse. The future of crypto is limitless. Stay informed, stay curious, and keep learning.